This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Glennis Rojas Pena. Welcome home to this fantastic property. This generous 0.46 acre of land makes this big lot in a dream of possibilities. Park your trailer, truck, boat, RV or build a huge man cave, workshop, car garage, or she shed you name. Featuring brand new roof, electrical panel, new kitchen with granite countertop, stainless steel appliances. In addition to that, enjoy a comfortable front porch to sit back and relax observing the garden and the mature trees. This gorgeous 2-halves home has a bonus room/office that could be easily converted into a third bedroom for the whole family to enjoy. Perfect for first-time buyer or as a passive income investment. Did I say that there is no HOA? No HOA. Come and discover the beautiful city of Leesburg, its rich history, famously known for the Venetian Garden Park located by the Lake Harris chain of lakes. Enjoy fishing on your boat, bird watching, playing sand volleyball by the ski beach. Or explore the downtown antique shops, cafes and restaurants. Just 1 hour and 30 minutes from Orlando themes parks, Daytona, or Smyrna Beach. Don't wait, call for a showing today. For more information, review the details below.